Hello friend, today I'll show you how to install Pixel in your landing page. So if you have a landing page, you can uh, install Pixel there. So this is my TikTok ad manager. So I'll click tools, then event, then web event. Then I'll set up a web event, then manually, then uh, okay. So keep a name here, then I will click next. And this is my landing page. Okay, so I'll set a pixel here. So it's basically a form. Okay, so I'll click there. Mm, Submit conversation. Okay. Nice. Complete registration. Consideration. Okay, and next. Then I'll click here. You can remove it or keep it. I'll keep it here. Then I will keep next. Advanced messaging option and custom code. Then download this pixel code, and this code you need to paste in your landing page header. Okay, between the header. So you just paste the code between the header. I have a developer, so I mail him this code, and he will paste it in the landing page header. Then after then I'll set the event. Okay, so uh, I'll set the event only. I'll make it for this link, and then it's as soon as so I'll click the setting, and I'll click event. Event. Then bring the URL here, and then here. Basically, it's a form. It's a verification. It's a submit form. So I bring this form here. So I'll select this add web element. Okay, then then I'll select here. Yes, last name. Yes. Uh, then I'll click email. Yes. Then wait. Email. Then phone number. Then I will click state, zip code, and I'll bring some. This is optional. This is optional. There is option for maybe phone number not applicable, and I'll also choose the city. Okay, then then I'll click the submit button. Okay, then I hope it will work, and then I will save it. Okay, and this is the process. Set up a pixel in a landing page, and I hope you understand it. And if you have any question, just leave a comment. I will reply. And if you want to contact with me, my contact info in the description box. You can contact from there. So, and if you are newer in my YouTube channel, please subscribe it, and also follow my Facebook page. Thank you.